Welcome to everyone. This week's video will cover the gold market update for the week of July 31st, 2023. Before we start, make sure you read carefully the disclaimer. The last update was on June 30, 2023 for the week of July 3rd. At that time, we expect an important low to form, the 40-week cycle low. For more details, please see the video. Let's see what's happened since and what we do expect for the next few weeks. The 10-day cycle. The last 10-day cycle bottomed on July 25th with the low at 181.10. This was the third 10-day cycle since the June 29 low. On July 24th, GLD crossed below its cycle line and 182.04, providing a downside target at 179.85. On Thursday, July 27, GLD made a low at 180.32, missing its target by 47 cents or 0.26%. The target is considered as met since the low is within 1% range of error. The rate of success for this cycle is 77.78%. The last 10-day cycle for this 20 and 40-day cycle is scheduled to end Monday or Tuesday. The 20-day cycle. Since the last major low on June 29, the gold market crossed above the cycle line on July 7 at 178 for an upside potential target at 181.65. On July 18, the market met its target. On July 27, GLD crossed below its cycle line on 182.07 for a potential target at 179.91. The same day, the market made a low on 180.32, just 41 cents or 0.23% above the target. This target is considered met. The rate of success for this 20-day cycle is 83.33%. The first 20-day cycle since the June 29 occurred on July 17, and the next one is scheduled on August 3rd, forming at the same time the 40-day cycle low here in the yellow zone. When this 20-day cycle will be over, the market will cross above the cycle line, providing an upside target. Here on this table is the market cross above the cycle line this week, the potential target. The 40-day cycle. The last 40-day cycle occurred on June 29 and is scheduled to end around August 3rd. The low could occur before this date since lately the gold cycle runs shorter. On July 12, the market crossed above these two cycle lines at 178 and 179, providing an upside target zone between 183 and 181. On July 18, GLD met its target with a high of 184.23. The rate of success for this 24-day cycle is 100%. Since GLD crossed below its 20-day cycle uptrend line on July 24th, the July 18 high is a 40-day peak. Technically, the 40-day cycle should find a support on its cycle line and rebound. Then the cycle line for the next week, in this case market cross below a cycle line, here the potential downside targets. The 80-day cycle. Because the Earth's principle on synchronicity, the last 80-day cycle throw occurred on June 29. At the same time than the 10, 20, 40 days and the 20 weeks and the 40 weeks. The next 80-day cycle should end around August 31st on the yellow zone on the chart. This 80-day cycle should be a bullish one and should form a peak around the July 31st. If the peak is formed after the July 31st, then the correction should be mild. Technically, the market should find a support on its cycle line. On August 31st, the cycle line for the 80-day cycle will be around 182. On July 19, the gold market crossed above the cycle line at 181, providing a potential upside target at 188. Up to now, the rate of success for this cycle is 66.67%. Soon the 40-day cycle is confirmed. I will draw an uptrend line on the 40-day cycle low. Then when the GLD crosses below this trend line, then we will have a confirmation of the 80-day cycle peak is in formation, and we can expect a correction at that time. The 20-week cycle. The last 20-week cycle make a low on June 29 and 175. This was the second 20-week cycle since the last 18-month cycle low in October 2022. Since June 29, we start a new 20-week cycle, which is scheduled to end around the last week of October or the first week of November. This 20-week cycle should be relatively bullish. There is a high probability the market crosses above this cycle line during the next 2 weeks. Here the resistance line for this week. If a GLD crosses above this cycle line this week, here's the potential targets. The rate of success for the 20-week cycle is 100%. After forming a bottom around end of October or beginning of November, the market will rally to form a peak around mid-January and decline again. During this decline, the market should cross technically below its cycle line, providing a downside target. The 40 weeks cycle. On the last update, we expect the 40-week cycle making a low on a July 3rd week. The market made a low on a June 29 at 175.79, just 0.75% above the target. Because the low is in 1% range of error, the target is considered as been met, which makes the rate of success to 100% for this cycle. The cycle ended just a few days before expected, but still very precise time-wise and price-wise. On June 29, we start a new 40-week cycle. This 40-week cycle is scheduled to end on February 2024. The end of this 40-week cycle will mark the end of the 18-month cycle. This 40-week cycle should be less bullish, even maybe neutral, compared to the previous one, which started on October 2022. Let's see why this second 40-week cycle should be less bullish to neutral or even maybe bearish. This is represent two 40-week cycles in one 18-month cycle. As you can see, the first 40-week cycle peak have a right translation, meaning the peak occurs on the right side of the cycle. This is a bullish sign. Here, the second 40-week. To be neutral, you have to pick at the peak of the cycle. If the peak occurs before or left the translation, this will be bearish. Now let's add 18-month cycle. The peak of the cycle is right there. So after that, the 18-month cycle will start to point downward. This will bring some weakness to the second 40-week cycle. The 18-month cycle. The peak for this 18-month cycle is expected very soon. When do we know the 18-month cycle peak has formed or is in formation? When the market crosses below its 40 weeks uptrend line from October 2022 low to the 40 weeks low on June 29, this will technically confirm the 18-month cycle peak is formed. How important the correction following the peak will be? All depends where the peak will occur. If we have a left translation on the cycle representation, then the correction could be important. This is usually a bearish sign. If the peak occurs on the right side of the cycle, this is usually bullish and the correction should be moderate. This cycle is expected to end around end of February. A more precise time target will be available by the end of the year. Price-wise, this cycle should technically find support on its cycle line, for now around 180. For the price too, a more precise target will be available by the end of the year. The long-term target at 200.37 is still valid until the market will cross below its cycle line. In conclusion, the 20-week and the 40-week cycle point upward, but soon the 18-month cycle will peak. This will put some pressure to the downside. So I expect this second 40-week cycle less bullish to neutral compared to the previous one. Because the market will be less bullish, we will have a good trading opportunity, because GLD will cross more often its different cycle lines. I believe the biggest trading opportunity is if a GLD cross above its 20-week cycle line and on a 20-day cycle. This is the end of this week's video. Thank you for following me. Next week I will publish another market update.